Hey everyone, I'm Charles Werner, the Director of Drone Responders. I'm honored to be involved with Airwards this inaugural year, a new program that will highlight UAV accomplishments around the world. This year's submissions were phenomenal. I'm now going to announce the winner of the Education and Research Award in the Giving Back group. And the winner is Inspire Africa Group for their submission of the Inspire STEAM drone coding program, where 47 schools across Southern Africa have implemented the Inspire STEAM drone coding program into their curriculums. Well done.
Hello, my name is Simon Robinson, and I am the founder and CEO of Inspire Africa Group. We are extremely proud and grateful to have won the Education and Research category, and I'd like to thank my team and our clients in helping us build a drone education and training company designed to support and develop the next generation of drone professionals. Having taught over 15,000 students across more than 50 schools in Southern Africa, our Inspire STEAM drone coding program is focused on empowering our youth to develop critical skills and career opportunities in the drone industry. Thank you, Airwards, for recognizing the hard work and effort we've applied over the last 2 years.